On a gray background, words appear. Get creative with H&C Broom Finish Repair.
If you've worked with H&C Broom Finish Repair from your local Sherwin-Williams store in the past, you know it's a great way to restore old concrete with a clean, like-new finish. Plus, it provides a more economical repair than many other options. Now, let's see how you can do more with Broom Finish Repair than just the basics.
Color swatches.
First, there's color. Choose from any of the 30 H&C color packs for a customized look. Adding H&C's solid color stain or sealer helps create a uniform appearance, especially when you're working on large surfaces. Another way to color Broom Finish Repair is with a reactive acid stain. H&C infusion acid stains can react with this cementitious surface to produce deep, rich tones. That's due to Broom Finish Repair's calcium hydroxide content and some of the highest levels of cement of any product from H&C and Sherwin-Williams. You might be surprised that you can also apply Broom Finish Repair to a vertical surface of exterior concrete block, then acid stain it. 2 smooth, unbroomed coats of Broom Finish Repair create a uniform, stainable surface. That provides a base similar to new concrete, and the acid stain creates that variegated, translucent effect you're familiar with seeing on floors. In addition to brooming the surface to texturize it, Broom Finish Repair can also be brushed in a half-swirl pattern. This technique helps prevent uneven lines when you're working on a large expanse. Use a hawk or eagle brush to create the swirls. Finally, you can give customers another major benefit, a slip-resistant surface. Because Broom Finish Repair has a finish more comparable to the profile of freshly placed new concrete than a decorative overlay does. That makes Broom Finish Repair a perfect choice for potentially slippery areas, like restaurant floors and pool decks. To enhance the slip resistance, H&C's Shark Grip slip-resistant additive is always recommended to mix into your final top coat. Now that you know how creative you can get with H&C Broom Finish Repair, use it to improve the look of worn concrete almost anywhere. Ask for it at Sherwin-Williams stores everywhere.
Sherwin-Williams.